Hello friends, and thank you for taking your break with us today. This easy 5-minute session will let you pause for thought, come back to your breath, and simply take a break from your busy day so far. Take a comfortable position, sat upright, imagining the crown of your head being pulled up towards the sky, elongating your spine. And then settle in to your breath. In for 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 3, 2, 1. In. 3, 2, 1. Out. 3, 2, 1. In. 3, 2, 1. And out. 3, 2, 1. Continuing with the 4-count breath for the next few moments. Really focus on your breathing, noticing where you're feeling it in your body. Inhaling peace and exhaling any frustrations. Do you feel it in your belly or your chest, your nostrils or your back? Investigate with kindness and observe without judgment, making sure to relax the muscles in your face, easing any tension in the forehead, the jaw. Soften, lighten, melt into this moment. And slowly start to bring yourself back to the room, gently wiggling your fingers and toes, your eyes fluttering open. Thank you for choosing the Soul Tribe to share your break with today. We hope this simple practice has helped alleviate any stress and set you up to go on with your day. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and we look forward to welcoming you back soon.